No.
I don't think anyone's going to sit on the ground.
Ava, sit on the ground, and I sit on the ground.
Okay. Okay. Now what?
Sit on the ground.
All right.
Now, when I call your name, you stand up and do a dance in the middle of the circle. So, Ava, do a dance. The music, let me set it on, and when I say right back to your seat, you go to your seat.
Okay.
Okay. Not doing anything.
Okay.
Now, you do a dance. Up. You go do it.
Now Ava does her dance.
Do your dance, baby.
Yay.
Yeah, do the flower. Do the flower.
No, that's not quite.
Flower opens. Yeah.
The hand flower.
Alright, the flower gently opens up.
Now how about a curtsy? Can you do a curtsy, Ava?
Okay, Kate, I think it's your turn to start.
We'll wait for the music to run out and she'll do it.
I gotta say, Dad buying that was one of the nice